Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your device. After that, make sure they are logged into your Instagram account. Now to archive your post, go to your profile by tapping on your profile from the bottom right corner. And in here, once you scroll a little bit, here you will be able to see your post. Tap on your post, and after that, tap on three dot icon from the upper right corner. Drop down menu will load up, and in there you will see archive at the very first of the list. Tap on archive, and now your post has been archived. Now go back to your profile, and in here you will not be able to see your post since you have archived. Now if you want to unarchive that again, go to three line icon from the upper right corner of your screen, and from there again tap on archive. After you see this interface, now here you will see all your posts that you have archived. Now tap on the post that you want to unarchive, and again tap on three dot icon from the upper right corner of your screen, and then from the bottom of your screen tap on show on profile, and again tap on show on profile. Now you will be able to see that post on your profile. Head back to your profile page, and here you will be able to see your post again. So this is how you can simply archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.